This is Bloomberg Markets on Bloomberg Television. Right, futures in focus, oil trading above $52 a barrel. OPEC reporting record compliance with pledged production cuts. U.S. drilling slowing down again. Gold sinking to a two-week low. The dollar gaining on tax, RB news as well. Lots to talk about. CME joining us from there. Alan Knuckman, chief market strategist at Bullseye Option. Alan, let's start with the dollar. The dollar index, earlier highest level since July. Has the retracement since the back end of last year ended, or is this just a little bit of a bounce on a longer downward trend?
Well, I would like to think that it's just the dollar slide has stalled. It's stopped going down. We've been trading between 92 and 94 since August for 3 months. Now, if you look at the interest rates, obviously, which are going to drive the dollar, there's a 90% chance we're going to raise rates in December. That's a done deal. But you don't get to a 50% chance that they're going to raise rates until we get out till June again. So I think this is just a temporary stall in the dollar. And that's really what's hurt gold here in the last couple of weeks is this dollar stopping going down, but actually drifting higher.
How much of gold's moves can be attributed to Bitcoin's never-ending move higher, Alan?
I wasn't going to bring it up. I was going to say there's a non-exchange traded product that I don't necessarily endorse that's gotten a lot of the shine that the money used to move into gold as kind of a speculative play and a hedge and many other reasons. So, yeah, I think that's taken away from some of the action in gold here recently. But 1,300 is an important pivot in gold. And you can see what happened last week when we broke down below 1,300, ended up losing $25 on the week, giving back the gains from the week before where we gained $30. So keep an eye on that 1,300. Because gold's essentially been trading between 12 and 1,300 for most of this year. I still think there's some more upside potential in gold. We had a nice significant bottom October 6th at around the 1260 level. Let's see if it tempts that and how the markets react if we go down to that level one more time.
What about crude, Alan? Just above $52 and change. What did you make of the OPEC compliance?
Well, I like their wording. I think there's something was lost in translation. They said there was 120% compliant. That's like me saying I put in 110% every day. You can't go above 100%, but it is what it is. But last week we hit a wall. 52.50 hit it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in crude oil. If it can push through that, then it's going to test that 6-month high, and then we're talking 56. Do not give up on crude yet. It's been on a 4-month uptrend, and I think the underlying current of support being the Iraq situation and OPEC working to keep prices supported, I think that's going to give crude a push and a punch above 53 eventually.